Hi everyone, this is Dr. S. Abdagiri, Associate Professor from the Department of Agriculture Engineering, Sri Sanmugha College of Engineering and Technology. In this lecture, we are going to see about nutrient management in sugarcane, how we are managing the nutrient and how the application of nutrient increasing the profit, yield and sugar recovery. Importance of nutrient management, because the sugarcane is a long duration crops, its duration generally ranges from 12 to 18 months. Due to longer duration, it requires large quantity of nutrients for towards the crop growth and development. The imbalanced nutrient management leads to losses in yield and poor sugar recovery. The efficient nutrient management helps in increasing the profit and increasing the sustainability of the field and soil and the yield. The nutrient requirement of sugarcane is it requires the primary nutrient, which is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, secondary nutrient calcium, magnesium, sulfur, micronutrient zinc, iron and boron. These are the nutrient required by the crop for proper growth and development. The long duration, because it's a long duration crops, it requires the nutrient demand to the continuous for a longer duration. The role of major nutrients in crop growth and development. The major nutrient, first one, nitrogen. Nitrogen is helping for increasing the tillering productivity and improving the vegetative growth. The phosphorus is helps for root growth and development and early vigor. The potassium helps in increasing the sugar accumulation and reducing the stress. These are the major nutrients and role of their roles in sugarcane production and productivity. Potassium is a key for increasing the can weight and increasing the sugar recovery. Limitations of conventional practices. We are practicing the nutrient management in a conventional system, and there is a lot of limitations. Those limitations are generally we are applying the fertilizers as a blanket recommendation. That blanket recommendation is the data from we are getting from the universities. These universities researched and given a blanket recommendation without without knowing any data about the nutrient management and soil nutrient availability. We can apply these blanket nutrient. These blanket nutrient may be higher or lower for the specific period. So the blanket recommendation leads to increase or decrease the yield and cost. There is a lot of low nutrient efficiency, generally 40 to 50%. Losses of nutrient applied nutrient through leaching and volatilization, decreasing soil organic matter. These are the reason where the nutrient management is failing in conventional system of sugarcane cultivation. Next comes to integrated nutrient management. This integrated nutrient management combines all the fertilizers by which we can increase the nutrient use efficiency and reduces the losses. The integrated nutrient management is a combination of chemical fertilizer, organic sources such as FIM, pressmats and biofertilizers. The benefits of following integrated nutrient management is improve soil fertility, it reduces the cost of cultivation and increasing the sustainable yield over the years. Next one is trash mulch and carbon nitrogen ratio management. This is the better management practices. If we are using the trash mulch, it can act as a in situ nutrient recycling and reduces the evaporation, by which it increases the soil moisture conservation, and also it acts as a microbial activity increments. And the challenges is high CN ratio. If the CN ratio is wider, there will be a temporary nitrogen deficiency. This temporary nitrogen deficiency causes the plants for deficiency of nitrogen, to overcome which we can apply extra dose of nitrogen 10 to 15 kg of nitrogen per acre and uses decomposition culture. It increases the decomposition and reduces the nutrient nitrogen requirement. This is the ways by which we can manage the carbon nitrogen ratio. The precision nutrient management. This is the modern technology wherein we are applying the fertilizer based on soil based fertilizer application, fertigation through drip irrigation, site specific nutrient management and applying the fertilizers which is controlled as storage fertilizers. This can improve the nutrient use efficiency up to 20 to 30%. The micronutrient and foliar spray nutrient enhances the nutrient use efficiency. The common deficiency are zinc and iron. The soil application is zinc sulfate, and the foliar application is the for 1%, 2%, 0.5% we can apply. This helps in quicker correction and better crop response. The future strategies and conclusion is the balanced fertilizer plus integrated nutrient management helps in increasing yield. An emphasis of potassium and micronutrient helps in increased yield. Adopt precision farming technologies. Maintain soil organic carbon in a better way. By adopting right nutrient, right dose, and right time, right method, we can increase the productivity and profitability of sugarcane through proper nutrient management. Thank you.